Hello all, here is a quick video on how to take the MOOC courses, how to register for the MOOC courses. So let's get started. So if you have Posto app installed in your phone, you can just open it, or if you do not have it installed, you can go to Play Store or App Store and get it installed. So I'll just click on Posto app. So you get this proceed to login screen, click on it. It is asking you to enter the institution ID and the password. Please enter your institution ID and the password. So you get this next screen where it is asking you to log in with your Open Learning ID. So click on proceed to login. So please enter your Open Learning ID and the password. If you don't have an ID created, please go to create account and create an account there. So I already have an account created, so I'll just give the same account and I'll enter the password. I'll click on sign in. So you get the dashboard. So here the first option to the left hand side, the first option is the MOOC courses. So you can click on it. Here you get this type 1 course, type 2 course and all MOOC courses. So this type 1 course, when you click on it, it clearly says that free online videos, optional, pay ₹100 per course for exam and certificate. Send a mail to support@campus.technology to schedule exam. So here you can view the videos. You can start watching the videos for free. So if in case you want to have some certificate and if you want to take the examination on it, you just have to pay ₹100. All you have to do is you just have to contact, you just have to send in a mail to support@campus.technology, so they will reply you back. So you can click on explore and see there are these courses: Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Business Communications, Research Methodology, SPSS, PLS, SEM, RStudio, Factor Analysis, Likert Scale, Sampling, Design. So you can click on this video. So it looks like this. There are many videos on this topics. So on each topics there are many videos added. You can just go through them. So if you feel that you have to take the examination, if you need some certificate, you just have to pay ₹100. All you have to do is you have to contact support@campus.technology. And then is this type 2 courses. It says live class plus videos by eminent faculties and industry experts, project work plus certificate, paid courses at a reduced rate. So click on explore to see the courses that is there. So here it is written web development using ASP.NET, cross-platform mobile app development using React Native and Expo. So it is written price 100 per month. So all you have to do is just click on it. Once you click on it, you will get an alert message saying thanks, we will contact you. So the concerned people will get back to you. So here you will get the certificate plus the project work. You can work on the project also. And then we have as all MOOC courses. These are for free. You can just watch them. You can even search them by the name also. There are many courses offered here. So this is how you can take the MOOC courses and you can register for it as well. Thank you.